Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome to our second science class. Students, today we are going to study about our topic nutrition disorder. So, open page number 62. Apart from diseases caused by harmful microbes, we can become ill in other ways. If we eat too much or do not take enough exercise, we become fat or obese. A person who is obese is at risk from a number of serious diseases such as diabetes, heart diseases, asthma, and arthritis. If we eat little, however, we become malnourished. Malnutrition is also a serious effect. It is explained that we can not only become ill by harmful microbes or germs, but we can become ill if we take too much of fat and become overweight or obese. A person who is obese is at risk of number of diseases like diabetes, heart diseases, asthma, and arthritis. And if we eat too little, we can also become ill by becoming malnourished. Firstly, students, today we are going to do the first disease, that is diabetes. Diabetes is a condition where your body does not make enough insulin, or insulin it makes does not work properly. Insulin is a hormone made in the pancreas. It controls the level of glucose in the blood, sometimes called blood sugar. People with diabetes could go on to develop serious health problems such as heart diseases, blindness, and even limb amputation. In this paragraph, it is explained that diabetes is a common disease nowadays. It is common in obese person. Insulin is a hormone made in pancreas. Pancreas is responsible for controlling level of glucose in our blood. But if this level is not controlled, sugar passes in urine and person becomes diabetes. Diabetes is a condition where body is unable to make enough insulin, or insulin it makes does not work properly. Diabetes is cause of other serious health diseases such as heart diseases, blindness, etc. Now, students, we are going to do the another disease, that is heart disease. The heart has its own blood supply provided by a blood vessel called the coronary artery. Heart diseases happen when coronary arteries become blocked by a substance called cholesterol. The blood supply to the heart may be restricted, causing a severe pain called angina, or cut off altogether, causing heart attack. It is explained that heart disease is also common nowadays, and its common reason is obesity. Heart is a pump and has its own blood supply. This blood supply is provided by a blood vessel called coronary artery. Due to excess fatty food intake and no exercise, coronary arteries get blocked by fatty substance called cholesterol. The walls of the coronary arteries are very narrow, and when this fatty substance is stick to its wall, it makes them even narrower. This makes the blood supply to the heart slow down. Firstly, angina. Angina is a severe pain spreading across the chest when oxygen does not get to the heart muscles fast enough. This pain is called angina. Heart attack. When blood supply to the heart is completely cut off, heart stops beating. This causes heart attack. Asthma. Asthma is a condition that affects the tubes that carry air in and out of the lungs. The lining of these tubes becomes inflamed and very sensitive to things like pollen, pets, and even cold weather. This causes the tubes to become narrower and breathing becomes very difficult. It is explained that asthma is a respiratory disease in which lining of the tubes carrying air in and out of the lungs becomes inflamed. Inflamed means swelled. As a result, person feels difficult to breathe. Asthma can be caused when our body becomes sensitive by any external factor like pollen, dust, smoke, pets, means animal fur, or common cold, etc. Heredity is also a common factor of asthma. Arthritis. Arthritis is a condition where the lining of the joints in the body becomes inflamed. This lining usually protects the joints from impact during running or jumping. Excess body weight puts more pressure on the joints, making them inflamed. The inflammation causes the joint to swell and become very painful and stiff. It is explained that arthritis is another disease which is caused due to obesity. But students, before understanding what is arthritis, you all should know what is joint. Joint is a point or is a place where two bones meet. And arthritis is caused when lining of these joints in the body becomes inflamed. This lining usually protects our joints during running or exercising. When a person is obese or heavyweight, it puts more pressure on joint and as a result they become inflamed. This inflammation makes our joints swell, painful and stiff, means they are not able to move properly and a person feels very difficulty in moving.